Children's, good afternoon everyone. So how children's, now we are moving to the hi. So children's, now we will move to the which lesson? So good afternoon everyone children's. Good afternoon to everyone. So yesterday which lesson we started 4th class children? That is solid, liquid and gases. So which lesson? That is 11th lesson. Solids, liquids and gases. So this is the lesson yesterday. What is meant by solid? We have learned. First matter and molecules we have learned. So what is matter, what is molecules we have learned. After that states of matter. From that solid, liquid, gases are the states of matter. First we have learned solid, it is the hardest substances. Liquid, it is a liquid substances that they don't have shape. Correct shape undadu. So yesterday we continued till here. So here can you name these three liquids? Yes, milk, water and also oil. The three substances formative assessment. So next gases we are moving to the gases. 4th class children, next we are moving to the gases. So here the class 4th I started. So I didn't wrote this, so now I wrote so. If you open a bottle of perfume in one corner of the room, the smell of perfume spread quickly to the other corner. So ikkada example gases deni ichirante one perfume. One perfume ante entidi. So it may be nowadays they are showing so many fog, ox, so many perfumes. చాలా పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్ చూపిస్తున్నారు. మనం ఇక్కడ కొంచెం సెంట్ కొట్టుకుంటే రూమ్ అంతా స్ప్రెడ్ అయిపోతుంది. పర్ఫ్యూమ్ అంటే గ్యాసెస్కి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పర్ఫ్యూమే చెప్తున్నారు. ఫాగ్, దెర్ ఈజ్ నో గ్యాస్, బట్ ద అదర్ పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్ దే హ్యావ్ గ్యాస్ దే ఆర్ టెల్లింగ్. సో హియర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాసెస్ ఈజ్ అ పర్ఫ్యూమ్. ఒక కార్నర్లో మనం స్ప్రే చేస్తే ఇంకో కార్నర్ దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాస్. Thus you see that the gas move about or flow very easily. You cannot keep a gas at one place until kept tight. సో ఒక గ్యాస్ని పట్టుకొని ఒక ప్లేస్లో పెట్టాలంటే దాన్ని గట్టిగా మూయాలి, లేదా ఉండదు అది. గ్యాస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అ పర్టికులర్ టైప్. ఇఫ్ యూ కీప్ ఇట్ టైట్లీ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బీ. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బెలూన్ టైర్లు కూడా, టైర్స్లో గాలి ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంటుంది, ప్రజెంట్ అది నాకు లేదు. ఎప్పుడైనా టైర్ ఏదైనా కుచ్చుకుందనుకోండి అది పగిలిపోతుంది, తర్వాత గ్యాస్ అనేది పోతుంది. సో హియర్ ఈ గివెన్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ బెలూన్. వెన్ ద బెలూన్లోకి మన యొక్క గాలి పంపిస్తామో ఆ గాలి మళ్ళీ ఆ బెలూన్ ఓపెన్ చేయగానే పోతుంది. దాన్ని ఎప్పుడైతే గట్టిగా కడతామో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే గాలి లోపల ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గ్యాస్. Gas is filled any space into which there are put. Thus gases have no fixed shape and volume. ఇక్కడ కూడా gases there are no fixed shape and volume. This is because in the gas the force of attraction between the molecules is very low. In these gases the attraction of molecules are very slow, very low, తక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బిట్వీన్ molecules is very low. So the gases are at the result the molecules are very far from each other. The molecules are result is very far from each other. The molecules thus spread out quickly in all direction. These molecules will be spread all the direction. Example balloon. So here car, balloon, radio, tire, juice, football, water, LPG gas, oil, table, books, oxygen cylinder. So which one is solid, liquid, gases? You have to find out it. This is your formative assessment in the textbook. You have to do it homework. In the textbook page number 76 you have to do here you have to do. Okay children, very easy. Next, changing states of matter. You have to know. We'll move to the changing. So here what change take place here, we will move now, so we will know. So here changing states of matter. Changing states of matter. So here we will see what it is, changing states of matter. Matter can be changed into states. Solid melts into liquid when it heats. You must have seen. Changing, you must have been seen. So here changing the states of matter. What it is changing, we will see now. It change, how change matter can be changes into states. So that solid melts into liquid. మీకు ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పిన సాలిడ్ అంటే గట్టిగా ఉంటుంది, అది ఐస్ క్యూబ్ కానివ్వండి. వెన్ ఇట్ హీట్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి చేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ టు ద లిక్విడ్ ఫామ్. యూ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ సీన్ ఇన్ ద ఐస్ చేంజింగ్ ఇన్ టు వాటర్. హీట్ మేక్స్ ద మాలిక్యూల్ move faster, move apart, thus the changing solid into liquid. So solid, it is water, it is a ice. We will take ice cube. When we just heat చేద్దాం, example ice ని heat చేస్తే it goes into liquid form. When we heat it changes into the liquid form, ఎందుకంటే వాటర్ అయిపోతుంది అక్కడ. Again heat the molecules, it will be move very fastly and move a part of changing into the liquid, solid into liquid. Liquid also changes into state by heating or freezing. By heating, liquid changes into gases. You can see these while boiling the water. By freezing, liquid into solid. So ice cubes melting, see water, next boiling of this, the water vapor is come and it uses the gases. By freezing, liquid can into the solid, the molecules move closer during the freezing. Thus that one of the matter can be changes into the another, heating or cooling. So ఇక్కడ మనం ఫ్రీజ్లో వాటర్ పెడతాం, పెట్టిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, ఐస్ క్యూబ్స్ అవుతుంది. అది సాలిడ్ ఫామ్లో అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ దాన్ని బయట తీసుకొచ్చి ఒక్క పొయ్యి మీద పెట్టిందంటే మళ్ళీ అది లిక్విడ్ ఫామ్లో అవుతుంది. అగైన్ ఇఫ్ వీ ఫ్రీజ్ ఇట్ అగైన్, నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ బాయిలింగ్ దట్ వాటర్ ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ టు గ్యాసెస్, వాటర్ వేపర్, and it will be used for gaseous. So this is the changing takes place in the liquid, solid, liquid, gases. Some matter can be molded or folded by giving heat and pressure. Mixing of two kinds of matter together from the new matter, the milk, water, sugar, tea leaves together make tea. So here mixing of two kinds. So palani, first we will pour milk, so water, next milk and sugar, again tea leaves. This all mixed, we will get tea. Yes. So solute, solvent, solution. So now you have learned what is mean by changes of matter. Next we are solve. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉన్నాయి, ఇందులోనే solute, solvent and solution. So how it takes place we will once see here. Some solid like sugar and salt mixed easily in with a liquid to form solution. So easy ga mix ayyad solids enti sugar and salt, it is form solution. The salt, so solid, sugar, salt etc. that dissolve in water, it is known as solute. Dissolve ante karigipoyetivi, solute antaranta. The liquid which the solid is dissolved is called solvent. Which will be dissolved solid is known as liquid, is known as solvent. The liquid obtained after dissolving the solvent is in the solvent is known as solution. So here I will write here for you formula how that is. Salt plus water is equal to salt water, salty water. So this is the solution. So water is solvent, solute. చూడండి, సాల్ట్ అనేది సొల్యూట్, వాటర్ అనేది సాల్వెంట్. ఇది మొత్తం ఏమేస్తే సొల్యూషన్ లాగా అయిపోతుంది, సాల్టీ వాటర్ అయింది. సాల్ట్ వాటర్లో సాల్ట్ కలిపి ఇది సాల్టీ వాటర్ అయింది. ఈ సాల్ట్ అనేది సొల్యూట్, వాటర్ అనేది సాల్వెంట్. దిస్ ఆల్ బికమ్ సొల్యూషన్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద how solute, solvent and solution is formed. When we put sugar into water, it molecules spread through the water. Yes, when we keep water lo chekkar ese mottam mix అయిపోయి sweet water అయిపోతాయి. They occupies the empty space in between the molecules of water. Yes, this is why sugar seems to disappear when it's put into the water. It will be disappears and it will become a full water, sugar water. Molecules of solid, molecules of liquid, molecule of gases. So 3 diagrams: solid, liquid, gases. These are the molecules. Does the volume of the solvent change when a solute is added to it? Let us find out. Yes. So solvent, it changes into solute, it will be added. Let us see. It is a find out in this. Take about 100 milliliters in a glass. So this you understood now. So we have to do one experiment here. ఒక గ్లాస్లో వాటర్ తీసుకుందాం. This is a glass. This is another glass. 3 glasses are there. So ఇందులో full of water. So spoon, again water. This is also water. So 3 glasses, 100 ml water is there in these 3 glasses. Mark the level of water by passing a strip of paper outside the glass. Add 4 teaspoons of sugar to the water. Note, the water level stir is with a spoon so that the sugar dissolve in water. Again note the water level. సో ఈ యొక్క ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం చెప్తుంటే, ఒక గ్లాస్లో వాటర్ తీసుకోండి, నెక్స్ట్ గ్లాస్లో షుగర్ యాడ్ చేయండి స్పూన్ తోటి. ఈ యొక్క వాటర్ లెవెల్ ఏమన్నా తగ్గుతాయా, పెరుగుతాయా, తగ్గుతాయా అనేది ఒక క్వశ్చన్. సో డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ యువర్ హోమ్ అండ్ సే ఫర్ మీ. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ ఆల్సో డూ దిస్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అండ్ టెల్ ఫర్ యూ. సో హియర్ ఎప్పుడైనా షుగర్ కలిపిన water, when we add sugar, so it will increase or decrease. So whatever it is dissolving this, so it will be not increase or decrease. Wherever the level is there, that will be there. So this is my opinion, sir. You also do at home and see what is the experiment, shows the answer and write here observation what you have seen here. So this is the lesson. We have completed solid, liquid, gases. So this is the lesson, that is solid, liquid, gases. We have been completed here, children. So now we are moving to the again summative and formative assessment, page number 78. So you do this experiment, don't neglect this experiment, very easy. ఒక గ్లాస్లో షుగర్ కలపడం అంతే, కలిపి వాటర్ లెవెల్స్ అనేవి తగ్గుతుందా పెరుగుతుందా చెప్పడం. నేను చెప్పాను నా ఒపీనియన్, మీరు కూడా చెప్పాలి. సో ఎవిట్ నెంబర్ A. What is the hardest and weak? That is solid. That is A. Second one, ice changes into water. It is on heating. A. Third one is, if this equation salty water is known as salty water, salty water. Yes, salt water is become to salt water only now. So it is a water, it becomes salt water. So here what is a solvent? So water is the solvent or salt he is asking. So here the water. The fourth one is matter exists of 3 states. C. So these are the 3. These are the 4 he given the. What he given here? 4. What he given? Tick the right option. So once look at the blackboard and write down, children, in your textbooks. So here first one is solid, second one is heating, the third one is water. So now once you also write down the third one is, the fourth one is 3 states. Here they are having 3 states. So This is the correct option, solid, heating, water and 3 states. So next, as usual, we are moving to the following question answers. So that is bit number C. మనం బిట్ నెంబర్ సికి మూవ్ అవుతున్నాం ఇప్పుడు. That is the give one word for the following. A liquid is which a solid dissolve. Liquid in which a solid is dissolves. That is solvent. So a solid that can dissolve in the liquid, that is solute. The third one is the mixture of the solute and solid. Solution. The fourth one is have no fixed shape or volume. It is a liquid. The gases form of water is water vapor. So these are the 5 given here. Give one word from the following. A liquid in which a solid dissolves. SOLVE and solvent. A solid that can dissolve in the liquid. Solute. 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 The mixture of a solute and solvent is solution. SOLUTION. Have no fixed shape of volume. Fixed shape లేదు, volume లేదు. Liquid. 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 The gaseous from the of water vapor, VAPOUR. So these are the one word answers given here to write. So I wrote on the blackboard, so you see and write in your textbooks. So now here again giving things to do. Here a small things that they are doing, the children are doing. So you too don't neglect whatever the I am not telling in the online classes, you do it. Keep your mind, concentration అన్ని పెట్టి ఏమన్నా నేను చెప్పని ఉంటే ఆ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ అయినా చేయండి. ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్గా ఐ హ్యావ్ లీవ్ ఇట్, డూ దట్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ ఎట్ హోమ్, యూ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో హియర్ the children are doing what they are doing. Once again we'll see. Will hot water dissolve more salt than cold water? Find out yourself. More ga dissolve ఏవైతుంది, cold water or hot water? Take a metal pot, fill half of it water and some salt and stir. Keep adding the salt while stirring until a little salt remain. At the bottom of the pot, the cold water will dissolve, no more salt. Now heat the pot gently on the fire, keeping stir water. Add a little more salt. The water gets warmer, so the much of salt can be dissolved. So ఈ యొక్క 2 experiments చూడండి, చేయండి. So now we completed the solid. It is a hard substance. Liquid, there is no shape and volume. Gaseous, when the water is heated, the water vapors come out and the gases is come out. We can see the example, that is also perfume. ఒక్క దగ్గర పర్ఫ్యూమ్ నేను కొట్టుకుంటే, సో అవటి లానియా టీచర్ యూ పుట్ టుడే పర్ఫ్యూమ్ చీ టీచర్ విల్ టెల్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద స్మెల్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాసెస్. అదే గ్యాసెస్ స్మెల్ ఏంటంటే ఇదే, నేను పర్ఫ్యూమ్ కొట్టుకుంటే మొత్తం అందరికీ వాసన వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్యాసెస్. So now I completed the lesson, children. So you also little bit keep concentration. 4th class children, everyone is good children, I know. So everyone is listening classes, whatever teachers are telling for you, and you are doing hard work. So much of hard work you are doing. So you will not neglect. So everyone is very good in my class. So that is my class. So you all are very good children. Please do the work. That is request for you. And if you don't have books, it is also request buy from the school children. It is useful to you only, not for me. So if you have a textbook, you can point out me also whatever if I tell. So and also whatever I am telling you, you can also be learned by me. So thank you very much, children. Thank you for listening my class patiently with the help of your parents' phone. Thank you to parents also for giving to the children's phone and giving them support, more support to them. So thank you very much.